Hello, today I am giving you some information about the germination of soybean seeds. We have a small experiment here. We want to test the use of nitrogen fertilizer to boost the overall nodule formation in soybean seed. We want to see either the addition of nitrogen fertilizer helps in boosting nodule formation or not. But the idea of this presentation or the video is to tell a little bit about the seed germination percentage. We have received these two lots of seeds from one of the companies. I don't want to disclose the company information. This is something related to the copyright and the privacy issues. And we have planted one hybrid this side and another hybrid this side. Seeds were planted on July 16, so today is July 23rd, exactly 1 week after plantation. At the time of plantation, we planted 3 seeds in each flower pot or each pot. And after a week today, we can see that some of the pots have very good 3 plants coming out. You can see this one, 3 plants, here 3 plants. Some of the pots have only 2 plants. You can see 2 plants here. One small is coming out from there. Otherwise, we have 2 so far. Some of them have only 1 plant. We can see here 1 plant, and some of them have nothing. You can see this one, nothing, nothing. And I'm giving you a little bit information why it happens. The first thing is we need to know about the germination percent of the seed. So this seed had about a 90% germination rate. When we have 90% germination rate and we plant 3 seeds at a time, we expect at least 2 plants or even 3 plants would be coming out from the soil, but this is not happening. So why we have poor germination in some pots? I want to give you some reasons. The first thing is the seed company says 90%, but we have to verify before we plant. Is it 90% or not? We have to do our own germination testing before we plant, and we did not do that in this experiment. So that could be one of the reasons that it may not have 90% germination rate. Another is the planting depth. This is the manual planting. It is not planted by machine. When you do the manual planting, sometimes the planting depth would not be very consistent. Soybean seeds should be planted like 1.5 inch or sometimes even 1 inch deep, but when I checked, some of them had 1 inch, and I found that some of the seeds were planted too deep, like 2 inch or even more, because we had 2 people planting these seeds, and sometimes the manual or the human error, too deep planting could be another reason why we don't have good germination. And the third reason could be these seeds are planted under the high tunnel. You can see high tunnel. The summer temperature inside this high tunnel goes about 110 degree Fahrenheit very easily. And because of this high temperature, we had a serious effect of crusting. That means you add the water, and after you add the water, there was the drying of the upper layer very fast, and because of that, some very bad crust were formed at the top of the boxes, and that also hindered some germination. We can see this one. I break the upper layer, which was the crusted, and I just broke it. Now this seed may be coming in few days. So in this video I talk about 3 factors. Genetics, it may affect the germination rate. Another is I talk about the human factor, management factor, and third one I discuss is the environmental factor. So genetics, management, and environment, GME, these 3 factors affect the crop production. Thank you.